Good morning. Do you ever feel like life is just overwhelming? The pressure, the distractions, the clutter that fills your mind before you even start your day. What if I told you there's a way to clear that mental fog, a way to embrace your mornings with purpose, focus, and calm? Today, we're diving into the Stoic principles that can help you eliminate those unnecessary distractions and start your day with intention. Let's talk about 11 things you should quietly eliminate from your life, starting with your morning routine, that will help you live with more clarity, joy, and purpose. If you're ready to start your day with a fresh perspective, make sure to stick around till the end, where I'll share an easy-to-follow Stoic morning routine you can implement right away. First, let's talk about excessive noise. No, I'm not just talking about loud sounds, but the noise in your mind, worrying about the day ahead, thinking about past mistakes, or obsessing over what others think. It's exhausting, right? By eliminating this mental noise, you can open yourself up to clarity and focus. The Stoics believed in controlling what's within your power and accepting what's outside of it. Instead of stressing over things you can't control, focus on what you can. Take a moment now. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and ask yourself, what's one thing I can eliminate today that's not serving me? Drop it in the comments, and let's share this journey together. Second on the list is social media overload. It's so easy to start your morning scrolling through Instagram or checking Twitter, but that can flood your mind with negativity, comparisons, and stress. This constant influx of information is a sure way to drain your energy before you even step out of bed. Instead of waking up to the chaos, why not wake up to peace? The Stoics often talked about how we must take control of our thoughts, not let others dictate how we feel. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Let me know in the comments below. Is it time to swap that habit for something more meaningful? Next, let's eliminate negative self-talk. How often do you wake up and the first thing you hear is that little voice inside your head telling you, you're not good enough, or you'll never make it? That's your mind's way of holding you back. The Stoics believed that we are not our thoughts. Just because a thought crosses your mind doesn't mean it defines you. Recognize these negative thoughts, but don't let them take control. Replace them with empowering affirmations or simple gratitude. Take a moment right now and think of one thing you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the warmth of your bed. Share it in the comments, and let's start the day on a positive note. Let's move on to multitasking. You might think you're being efficient by juggling tasks, but in reality, it leads to burnout and decreased focus. Trying to do too many things at once is like trying to fill a cup that's already full. The Stoics emphasized doing one thing at a time and doing it well. The key to mastering your day is focusing on one task, completing it with excellence, and moving on to the next. Are you guilty of multitasking? What's one task you can commit to focusing on today? Let me know in the comments. Another thing to eliminate is procrastination. How many mornings have you woken up with a to-do list a mile long and put things off until the last minute? Procrastination is just fear in disguise. Fear of failure. Fear of the unknown. The Stoics would tell you to face your tasks head on and take action, no matter how small. Action reduces fear and helps you build momentum. What's one task you've been putting off? Take the first step today and come back to tell us how it felt. Next up, let's talk about clutter. Physical clutter. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by a messy room or a chaotic workspace, and that clutter seeps into your mind too. The Stoics believed in minimalism, focusing on what truly matters. Clearing out the unnecessary items in your environment helps create space for clarity and productivity. It's not about perfection, but about having room for peace. Take a few minutes today to clear one area of your home or workspace. What's one item that no longer serves you? Let me know in the comments below. So, now that we've talked about eliminating the distractions, let's put it all together into a Stoic morning routine. Here's what you can do every morning to start your day with calm, focus, and purpose. 1. Wake up early and give yourself time to breathe. 2. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. 3. Meditate or reflect for a few minutes to clear your mind. Move your body. Whether it's a short walk or some light stretching, get your blood flowing. 5. Plan your day. Decide on one main task to focus on and tackle it first. By eliminating distractions and embracing a simple, focused morning routine, you'll set the tone for a successful day and a more peaceful life. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to start your own Stoic journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, it's the small, intentional steps that make the biggest difference. What's one thing you'll eliminate from your morning today? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.